I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trezor to MetaMask. First, ensure your Trezor device has the latest firmware installed for optimal security and functionality. Next, install the MetaMask browser extension and set up your initial software wallet. Finally, connect your physical Trezor device to your computer using its provided USB cable, preparing it for the next steps. Now let's initiate the connection. Open your MetaMask extension in your web browser. You will see a circular account icon in the top right corner. Click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Connect Hardware Wallet option. This action will prompt MetaMask to search for compatible devices, including your Trezor. With the hardware wallet connection initiated, you will see a list of options. Choose Trezor from this list. Your Trezor device will then display a confirmation prompt. Approve it directly on the device. After successful confirmation, MetaMask will show you a list of all your Trezor managed accounts ready for selection. Finally, select the specific Trezor accounts you want to import and manage within MetaMask. You can choose one or multiple accounts. After making your selections, click the Unlock button to complete the import. Your Trezor accounts are now securely connected and ready for use directly through your MetaMask interface, offering enhanced security for your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.